Da-da-da-dun, da-dun, 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 da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-da-dun. Hi everyone, welcome to Eden Secret. Today we're making a Pink Panther inspired soap. I was inspired to make a Pink Panther soap because I think this colour, passion pink, is identical to the colour of the Pink Panther. If you don't know what the Pink Panther is, it was a 70s cartoon series. So we're going to do a similar soap in a slab mould to the one we made the other day with the blue. So I'm just going to mix it in with some sunflower oil. Well, I mean, can you believe sunflower oil's been put on ration because it comes from Ukraine? I mean, what on earth would we do if all the oils went on ration? I mean, anything's possible, isn't it? Blends in pretty easy, so you don't need to blend it for ages. Okay, so the bottom layer has got plenty TD in it, titanium dioxide, and we're just going to tip some of that pink in there before I fragrance it, because the fragrance I'm using today, Silky Sakura, it has some acceleration with it, and I just want to make sure this is all mixed before I put the fragrance oil in. So it's probably going to be a kind of rough layered soap, this one. Whoops, I forgot to put my gloves on. Okay, so the next layer, it has no titanium dioxide. So this is like the darker layer of the pink. Right, so let's get these first two layers poured. I'm just hoping this Silky Sakura is not too fast. I hate this when you're going to tip a fragrance oil into your soap batter and you think it's going to set instantly. Actually, not doing so bad yet. Okay, let's get the first layer poured. Sorry about the drilling. John's working again. It's a very pleasant smell, this one. It's just delicate, it's really beautiful. Okay. I'm not trying to get a swirl, and I'm not trying to get a layer either. What's happening is just what I want to happen. I really do enjoy making soap, you know. So this is going to be the top layer, the white layer, and I'm just going to add the fragrance in there now. So you can see when this colour heats up, it does now turn like a hot purpley pink. But once it's saponified and cooled down again, it goes back to the original beautiful colour. Alright. And silly old me, I forgot to mix leave a little bit of the colours for the drizzle on the top. So I'm going to have to remix those in the next scene. Okay, now time for the topping. So I'm just thinking that the blue one I did the other day, did I go in with the dark blue first? So I did, so I'll go in with the dark pink on this one first. This is a bit thicker than the blue one, isn't it? If you didn't see that video, just click the iCard in the top right hand corner of the screen if you want to watch it. It's funny because this is thicker. It seems like the blue went so much further, and there was the same quantity in there. Right, so we'll go with the lighter pink next. And now the white. Did anybody watch the Man, His Wife and a Canoe in the UK? I mean, honestly, they nearly got away with it, didn't they? If only they hadn't taken that photo, I don't know, I think they'd probably still have got caught sooner or later. But I mean, it was laughable, some of the excuses, like him coming in at the end And like I say, he nearly got away with it, acting as though he'd lost his memory and he couldn't remember who he was. And but how could you do that to your kids? I mean, she obviously regrets it, but they're just lied non-stop all the way through. I feel like the mother is probably still lying, because this story seemed to have been told for the episodes from her point of view. So I think she's still lying, not telling the truth about what really happened. But anyway, it was kind of funny. Okay, this is my first time using a slab mold cutter. Need a bit of pressure. There we go. That's one. Okay, so we're going to cut these now. I've had to take this part off because you don't have to use this. All it is a measuring gauge, so when you put the soap next to it, it has something to stop its track, so you don't need to use your eyes to cut the soap correctly. But without that, you will need to measure the measurement you want and draw it on your base here, and just move the soap to that measurement and then cut it. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Pink Panther strikes again. That is what I was inspired by, but John came up with a great suggestion that we should call this the Pink Pamperer. So yeah, actually I love that. I think it's a great idea. So let's get this onto the website and get it sold. My website is www.edenssecret.co, and that's where I sell all of my products. I'll see you over there, but if I don't see you over there, I'll see you back over here for my next video, which will be coming up in 2 or 3 days. Alright everyone, bye bye for now.